Guys, it's Ben here. I just acquired this vintage Armaid box fan. I actually got the back. I got the grill off. It's experiencing an issue, and I need you guys' help. Turn it on. This hums. You have to actually give it a push. And it barely gets going. Like it wants to go. But it doesn't want to. And as you can see, the bearings are free. Very free. But it just doesn't want to reach full speed and doesn't want to start on its own. So if you guys have any idea on what's going on, please let me know in the comments. I don't know if this has a capacitor. I think this is a Hunter model. I can't get the set off. It's like stuck. So, bye guys. Bye.